Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the GreenPan Premier Ovenware Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 4-Piece Bakeware Set, a must-have for every kitchen enthusiast. This versatile set includes a 13 by 9 inch rectangular baker, an 8 by 8 inch square baker, a 13 by 9 inch quarter sheet pan, and an 18 by 13 inch half sheet pan, all designed for healthier cooking with a ceramic nonstick surface that's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Crafted from heavy-gauge cast aluminum, these pans offer long-lasting durability and warp resistance, while their quick heating design conducts heat 4 times faster than steel for perfectly balanced cooking. The reinforced edges enhance stability, and the built-in handles make it easy to move the pans in and out of the oven, which is safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the snag-free interior ensures no food gets trapped, making cleanup a breeze. Just wipe them clean or toss them in the dishwasher for those tougher messes. Whether you're baking a family favorite or trying out a new recipe, this bakeware set is built to deliver effortless, slide-off-the-pan results every time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.